What's up, guys? So we are just getting right into the video today. I am doing a fall kind of glam look today, and I'm starting out by priming my face with my E.L.F. Putty primer. Okay, next I'm going to be using this E.L.F. concealer. When I put it on my face in the video, it's going to look like it is similar to my skin tone, but it's actually a little bit of an orangey color, and I'm just using this to color correct my dark spots from my acne scars. Okay, grabbing my Dewy and Smooth foundation in the color 240, I'm gonna pat that all over my face, and then I'm gonna follow up with my blending sponge. Okay, grabbing another E.L.F. concealer, I'm going to use this one that is lighter than my skin tone and put it on the high points of my face, like under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, chin, forehead, the usual, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face with this concealer stick, and I think this is by LA Colors. Okay, I'm using a neutral set powder by Ben Nye. I was making that face because that container was nasty. But yes, I'm putting this underneath my eyes on all the areas where I put my concealer just to set everything. Now that I have dusted all that other powder off my face, I'm going to go in with this Sephora pressed powder and just fill in the areas where I didn't put that Ben Nye setting powder. Now I'm going to bronze. I'm going to use this pressed powder here, and I'm going to use that to just bronze my face and warm the face up in those areas where I contoured. I'm taking one of my favorite Wet n Wild blushes, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheeks. Now it's time for the fun part, which is the highlighting. I love a good blingy highlight. Call me old school, but that is one of my favorite things. I love for it to pop, and I just love that pop of gold on my face and on my skin tone, but you can also find ones that work for your skin tone as well. It's brow time, guys. So I'm using this Milani brow pencil in the color Taupe, I believe. And this is one of my favorite brow pencils. It's very, very creamy. And I use this all the time. And I also use a darker one if I'm feeling in the mood for a darker brow. Now I'm going to clean up under my brows with this concealer and use the rest on my eyelids and blend. I found this gorgeous neutral toned and gold eyeshadow palette at Five Below, and I think I only paid $5, maybe $3 for it, and it is so beautiful. If you have a Five Below near you, or you know somewhere that sells Wet n Wild products, go and get this because it's going to look beautiful on any skin tone, whether you're the fairest of the fair or the deepest of the deep. It's gonna look beautiful. Next, I'm going to be using this gorgeous Morphe palette that I purchased a while back. I think I used this in my first video on YouTube. And you guys, this palette is so beautiful and great for the fall season. It is only $26, but you get so many shadows and it's highly pigmented. So I suggest you go out and get this. This gold, you guys, this is why I told you to go get this palette immediately. Okay, look at this. This is $5. This is what you get for $5. A beautiful gold shadow. That's what I'm saying. It's gonna look beautiful on anybody. And then I'm gonna use another gold in the palette. It's so beautiful and creamy. Go get this thing right now. get off this video, watch the video, and then get off of it and then go get this thing. Now I'm going to be taking the same shadows that I put on the top of the eyes and just go ahead and put that along the bottom. So the browns and golds, the oranges, they're all going to go underneath. Now I'm going to be doing my winged liner with my favorite Wet n Wild black liner. Pro tip, look down in your mirror when you're doing your winged eyeliner. This is going to be really good to get that nice precise line, but once you get that line, then you want to look straight ahead and fill in the rest. Okay, I'm back with lashes, liner, and now we're doing that lip. And just use any chocolate brown lip liner of your choice and line your lips. It was at this moment that I decided, you know what, let's take this up a notch and do a little bit of a burgundy brown lip. So I'm using this double espresso lipstick and this E.L.F matte lip and created this beautiful color combo. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it, and until the next time, I'll see you in the next video.